Daddy,
He's like,
tell us a story.
get used to it.
Like your son. Okay, here, Mom. Take a video of me and Daddy fighting. Ready?
Alright, go beat him.
Oh. Back up, man. Like, were you like right in there?
Uh-oh. No, slow motion, slow motion.
I hope you washed your hands because they smell like fish.
Alright, let her up now.
No, hold on, wait. That wasn't fair. That wasn't fair.
You never take me on.
You had a bad. I had a bad start. I said, come back right now. Come back right now.
Show her how to fight.
If you break my nails, I'm.
I can't see from there.
What?
Show her how to fight then.
That was your own fault.
Did you slap him?
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Are you ready?
Are you? Ready for this? Ready for this?
Pretend you're punching, Tom. And let's see if she can block it. Try to block the punches. Teach her how to fight.
Who doesn't know how to fight? You don't know how to fight.
I know how to fight.
What?
I don't know.
If you, oh man.
Uh-oh, you gotta watch that back flip her. See the kicks? Oh, she's a good fighter, man. She's good.
You gotta lose a tooth soon.
Daddy won't be able to walk tomorrow.
Alright, fight Frank now. Get Frank now.